how to create a bullet journal in Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to create a bullet journal in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com on your browser and then sign in to your account. Creating a bullet journal in Notion is a brilliant way to blend analog style planning with the digital flexibility. Once you're signed into your Notion account, go ahead and click on this Add New button under the Private section to be able to add a new workspace. So in here, you'll be able to find the option to create your journal with an empty page with an empty database or build it with AI. You can also find presets of the Notion boards that you can use from here, but as you can see, there is no bullet journal preset. So I'll simply select build with AI from here. So just describe the type of journal that you want. So I'll simply enter bullet journal and then select build bullet journal with AI. So this might take a few seconds or minutes depending on the connectivity of your internet and the description that you've given with Notion's AI. So Notion's AI would basically create the draft of your bullet journal, so you can go ahead and personalize it further once it is done. So in here, as you can see, you can also add more features to your bullet journal. So you can select from this options. You can also add more by entering your comment into this section. So click on continue once you're satisfied, and then click on done once you're done with customizing your bullet journal generated by Notion AI. So as you can see, you can find all of the things that you'll need for a bullet journal, such as the entry, date, type, status, and the reflection. So that is how you can basically create a bullet journal in Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.